so we're just so excited to meet some characters, see what kind of costumes they have, as well as ride some fun rides.
Yeah, there's a couple rides that we haven't gotten yet that we want to, so we're gonna try and hit that all up. Disneyland! Oh, and here comes the train. I love that the conductors wave. Cinderella!
See you, Goofy!
Hi, Pluto!
Hi, Pluto!
Thank you.
I just did the funnest thing I've ever done at Disneyland before. I loved it. What did we do?
We got to march in the parade.
Yeah, we just went to march in the parade. I didn't realize they do that
Mickey
here. They come down with the band and with Mickey and friends, and you can follow them around Main Street and dance.
And then they did a little number, and it was awesome.
Yeah, and then it ends at the train station. That was so cute. Do you know if they do that every day?
I don't know.
I bet they do. We should find out.
As they say, look alive. The mansion was changed. All was soon proper, adorned and deranged.
13 rings of power.
That's not a present.
Jake and I brought a sack lunch for today, and we're just hanging out at the Hungry Bear Cafe, and it's super fun because the train passes by and you get to wave to everyone over here. Winnie the Pooh!
A little bear named Winnie the Pooh set off in search of honey. Hooray! Happy birthday! Ta-ta for now.
I'm gonna go look for some cute treats. Babies, they're so cute. Winnie! So cute. Jungle Cruise!
Bye, people on the dock. Bye. You can tell these are Indian elephants because of their ears. You can tell they've been bathing for a while because of all the wrinkles. Every single time, they're always monkeying around going bananas. By the way, try not to look like a banana, they find it appealing. So to the folks on board wearing yellow, you had a good run. So we can say, Gorilla! Gorilla! Maybe we've got two African bull elephants. You know they're African bull elephants because we're in Africa. Well, and in that den we've got some Goliaths protecting a sleepy zebra with their Goliath cubs. A lesson why you shouldn't argue with rhinos, because rhinos will always get their point across in the end. ING. First comes love, then comes asphyxiation. Hi, Mickey. Kelsey, we're following Mickey. I know, put your ears on.
Heading up to go ride the railroad. Jake, what's your favorite part about the railroad?
The dinosaurs.
Yeah. He loves that part.
The Disneyland Limited, now loading for a trip around Walt Disney
train.
So cute. Hi, Pinocchio! Well, we just heard thunder, so it might start raining, but we're gonna get kicked out of Disneyland soon because a Mickey's Halloween party is going on tonight. So we're gonna go over to California Adventure. California Adventure, here we come!
Yeah, and it seriously feels like Mickey's Halloween party over here because they deck it out with Halloween decor.
It's pretty awesome. And the cool thing is too, it just rained, and so everything's, like all the lights are gonna reflect on the ground, which makes it look like super spooky and cool.
It's a pie,
Eat it!
but I thought it was a cupcake.
Chug, 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 chug. Peer pressure, peer pressure. Do it!
I can't do it all in one
Oh,
bite.
you have to bite it all in one bite.
There's no way I can do that.
Yeah, you can.
Pretty close, let's see that. Whoa, that's a whole lot of...
It's okay.
Oh my God! Jake wants another
Spooky.
spooky macaron. Macaroon time! So cute with the background. How is it, Jake?
This one's awesome.
This is your second one this trip. Jake picked out a new friend. I love him. What's his name?
Scary.
Scary?
Yeah, he's gonna be for our Halloween decorations.
Check out how fun these little dishes are. They're so cute. But I picked out the pirate one. Dead men tell no tales. It is coming down out here. We've just been inside shopping. What are we gonna go on?
We're going Guardians.
The Galaxy! Hey!
Hey, I'm all wet.
Yeah, Jake is soaking wet from all the rain outside.
Tell me how it went. How was it?
It was so good. We peed our pants. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Still raining out, but it's sure cleared the crowds. There's Amber and Brandon, and we're headed to Monsters Inc. and Jake without his umbrella. Hey guys!
The Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a dog.
They'll never get her home now.
I'm watching you.
Soaring over California!
Soaring over the world.
Soaring over the world. I still get it confused. Are you guys having fun tonight?
Yeah. Best time when it rains.
The rain is still coming down. But here's Pixar Pier. Looks so cute over here. When it's pouring rain out, you just literally walk on all the rides. It's kind of dreamy. Okay, who's gonna win?
Boys team, let's go.
Boys, huh? Boys against girls. Bring it on. Bring it on.
Round 2.
Last ride of the night. They're really crooked. Ah! Oh, yeah! I won! Well, it's been such a fun Disney week. I'm so sad it's coming to an end.
I know.
We're gonna check out the newly remodeled World of Disney store. How cute is this? Hey, Jake. What do you see? Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Boo and Monsters Inc. I love that Mike shirt or sweatshirt. That's so cute. All the ears. So I love it. It's a lot brighter in here now. And they have a lot of really cute brick detail. Jake, I love your hat accessory. Looking real good. You were like soaking wet.
Hey, the bus is coming.
Yay! They called a bus for us because we shopped too long.
And Jake must really love me because he doesn't hold the names.
It's true. Hence why he's soaking wet.
Has to fit in his backpack.